Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this item provided by Physicians Formula. So it's the Ultra Fine Liquid Eyeliner, and it also has an eyelash booster. So the color is black, is ultra black. So doing here an unboxing. This is how it looks. And it's like I just have it on, as you can see, on both of my eyelids and under the eye. Even if it touches a little bit inside, it doesn't sting, it doesn't burn. So also it has a lash enhancement, which is great because it is good for your eyelashes. It's very thin, as you can see here. So this is perfect if you want to do the cat eyeliner, or if you just want to like go around the eye like I did. And then on top, you can just use your mascara and your eyeshadow as you will normally use it. Thank you, Physicians Formula, for this great item. I hope you enjoy my video.